If your child has expressed their interest in pursuing a higher education in the arts, they'll need to take specific steps to thoroughly prepare for the application process. Navigating the intricacies of art school applications can be overwhelming for both the student and their family. To help ensure a successful application, there are some key steps that you can take as a supportive parent. First, choose the art programs for your child to apply to. There are some key differences to consider: the school's focus on fine art versus commercial arts and design, or a combination of both. Researching these aspects and discussing them with your child can help you make the best choice for their education and artistic development. Once you've come up with a list, motivate your child to reach out to colleges and sign up for an open house event. Open houses provide an excellent opportunity to gain a better understanding of a college. Next, research career prospects. As a parent, you're likely concerned about your child's job prospects after college. To alleviate your concerns, research the employment rate of graduates from different colleges. Contrary to popular belief, job opportunities for creative individuals are expected to grow in the area of rapid technological advancements, as creative thinking skills can't be easily automated. Next, list each school's application requirements. Make a list of each school and list the major, application deadline, essay requirements, how many recommendation letters are needed, if there's an interview, art portfolio requirements, if there's a home test and the requirements, application and portfolio submission requirements, is it directly to the school or to Slide Room and Common App, like this example for the School of Visual Arts. Your child will need to have an outstanding art portfolio to successfully enter a competitive BFA program. It is the most important part of their college application to an art program. A strong portfolio can potentially compensate for weaker academic performance, test scores, and extracurriculars up to a certain extent. Conversely, a subpar portfolio can hinder your chances of admission to top art programs, regardless of the strength of other application components. An art portfolio typically comprises of 10 to 20 exceptional pieces of their artwork. The purpose is to offer colleges an insightful glimpse into their artistic capabilities. Give your child a lot of time to prepare their art portfolio. Preparing an art portfolio for college admissions is not a casual undertaking. It is common for high school students to underestimate how much time and labor is involved. For most students, it takes several months to over a year to create an art portfolio. Most art programs require a portfolio of 15 works, so challenge them to create double that. This will significantly elevate the quality of their work and give them a wider range of options to select from, and it allows them to discard weaker pieces, ensuring that only their most exceptional work ends up in their portfolio. There are certain types of portfolio pieces that are important to include in their art portfolio. High school students should prioritize drawing from life. Observational work to include in their art portfolio are self-portrait, figure drawing, still life, landscape and cityscape, and interior spaces. In addition to the observational work, you can also include imaginative work, films, animations, performance art, sculptures large or small, book art, product design, architectural models, graphic design, and more. You can also film a sketchbook flip-through. Art schools recognize that artistic talent and potential cannot be solely measured through traditional assessments. By adding a sketchbook flip-through, admissions will gain a more comprehensive understanding of your child's creative thought process. Excellent photographs are crucial. Poor photos can deter admissions officers. Plan and shoot high-quality photos well in advance. Presentation matters. The way you present your artwork significantly impacts its perception. If you follow these steps, your child has a great chance of successfully entering an excellent BFA program. If you need help with your child's application process and art portfolio creation, you can view Ashcan Art's art portfolio prep courses at www.ashcanart.com.